Bespoke is a funny word. We hear it a lot, but what does it really mean? Hi, I'm Tim Webster. In the field of conveyor design, there are a number of very large and mainly European-based systems integrators who portray themselves as being the panacea to all the customers' needs. Now, more often than not, these involve a combination of products sourced from independent suppliers that will satisfy the majority of handling needs, but not quite all. However, Adept Conveyor Technology appreciates that it needs to be a bit more adaptive than that because the Australian market does make considerable demands. Thanks to its full in-house design facilities and its ability to build and test its systems in its own Australian factory, Adept can give each and every customer a system designed to handle their specific needs, with no compromises. Now, that is the true meaning of bespoke. More details go to adeptconveyor.com.au. And thanks for watching.